আরে দিব তো
itu
You all have seen, right?
lively
PCC
opposition
President,
leader.
PCC President and Honorable MLA Sudhir spoke to us for a line Zoom, and then we have heard, and then we also told that what do we want from the central government. I just want to tell all of you that because of Indira Gandhi ji, we got ADC here, and because of Rajiv Gandhi, 3 more ST reserve seats also we got. That much I can tell. And then Congress knows about our problems. We said that okay, we'll discuss in the party and then we'll take the call. And they are going to Delhi tomorrow, I think. So once they come back, they will let us know, or we also will discuss in the party and we'll come back to you all after our meeting.
You had a talk in Delhi also on your rights, on your demands.
Yeah, we have been talking because see, we were talking with Government of India. This talk will go on because it is with the government. But today politically they have come here. They are not in the government, but this is political talk. That's it. I think more updates will come.
Mr. Debbarma had expressed very strong hopes that they have put forth their demands and their stand, and he was hopeful that something positive will come in future. What is your expectation out of it, sir?
See, I'm telling the same thing that we have to discuss in the party, and then we'll come with the update.
But already Congress have an alliance with CPM in India to India alliance.
See, those things, Congress, CPM, everyone will think. Okay. So definitely they know that they have aligned with CPM. Still they have come, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Thank you.